Khubor ka Batesi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Jadi penting kejongi ke bayadai bat COVID-19 mentak asni pat handai tarik August 2008 kuai kilong kumni ki kes ki bathamai mentak asni kilong laispa arf kanda ki bala recover mentak asni kilong laispa pra baro kelum lang ki aktif kes ki mengidan mentak asni hadu mentak asni kilong lai haja sauspa arfuai bat ki bakhlat no mentak asni ke report pengilayo tolong sanut. Thank you sir.
Hak review meeting komisyon mentak jamit hapo kajing lam jong chief minister badan burong jomi hak wedei nakalian jong ka health department bat government di Barakaway ngilai sim katu kan dipilih rai hak wedei bat ki restriction ki bengu barok si kata hak state jongi Barakaway bat kata kalong kum ni harum kabenengkok ki sports activities barok kiba bros kata ngimsya sports activities barok kiba bros kata ngimsya namar kabengisya mansua kadai tangi ya kituki non physical contact sports activities tenrei menna ni sim ya karai hapo ka review meeting ban nadu kaskinengkom nadu kaskinengkom shajro ya kidik sports activities ginsya nantai ki cinema hall ginsya ban play tang baka capacity kan long 1/3 na ka seating capacity kitu kibengi ong ki jackpot parlors ginsya nanta susu kini ki public parks kum ka nan polok kum ka tuka kaneka Lady Hyderabad kabateng teng don ki bekwa belayai kai ki rutemen ki samla ki ramba kum kateka lesi kateka Elephants Fall kabateng teng ki kwa ban yalek kai ban lek pengap te yakini ru nadu kasing nengkong nginsya tamba kan don ka SOP kabatikna aga baka surkar kan perkre mentakas ngilan lasai kin ai ke notification bat kumju ru ki deputy commissioner kin sale ya kabadon kam hakini kijaka ki bangi nginsya kalong ya kitu ki khat pras nem sejrom bat ki bala ai ya ka injection la nekatika ka bangi ong ka vaccination sakaway karai ka misim manna ka janmet kalong ba ya ka private transport namar baro sikata nimsya lain no tangki tu ki basyo ya ka karpas lengba ki deputy commissioner nadu laskinengko nginsya bakin yan 1/3 na kejingdon jong itu kali bat yakani nsa penbit penbiang da ki deputy commissioners hala ki jong ki jaka hala ki jong ki district yakani nakalian jong ka sarkar hak state level ni ai ka bor ban implement ban regulate yakani delan baki deputy commissioner te itu ki klop lese hak snong di bakherot ha kin sap ai ka kerja application baru nakalian jong i deputy commissioner hapo ki district bakher pe jong jala kin sa le yak bedan ka haka bakin ya slok bat kitu ki stakeholders ki bakher the SOP is in place like yodu run managed by the aim of Malay. That also we have given the SOP where they need to make sure that the SOP is adhered to. So therefore, we entrusted these SOPs to the concerned shopkeepers or shop owners, as well as the owner of the market like Yodu or any other market, that they need to comply with the SOP issued by Health Department. Well, see, right now, I think you understand, it is not so easy for the government to take action, because you can't stop crowd coming out in the road. But what we requesting each and every citizens of the state is, please take care of yourself. Even if you come out, be it in Police Bazaar, be it like be it anywhere, at least your mask should be fully covered. Distance should be at any cost maintained, because this is not for the interest of the government. It is for your own safety, for your own interest. So we keep reminding this, we keep requesting all stakeholders to kindly adhere and follow strictly with the SOPs issued by the government through Health Department. I think let us not link with what has happened recently, especially that the day where the funeral takes place with our late cherished Thang Hieu. The crowd, they just came by themselves, and ultimately we can't help it. That's what I'm telling you right now. Why government wanted to transfer the ownership, let me use that word, ownership has to be owned by individual as well as by the household of each and every household in the state of Kerala. If you say that no government has to feed us, I think that is wrong. Because as I said to you, when we issue SOP, when we issue notification, it is not for the interest of the government. It is not for anything. It is for the safety of each and every individual, each and every household throughout the state. So what we are doing right now from the department and as well as from the government, why recently we decided that participation of each and everyone, and of course we do have local institution which is known as Rangbasno, competition, local headmen in each and every locality, in each and every villages. Now, as I said to you, this time government is partnering the responsibility between the state government, between the government and also the Rangbasno, the competition of each and every village, so that we will be able to really take care of our people in different parts of the state.
As are coming down, then even the positivity rate also will come down. It depends on the number of people we test altogether. But as it is now, I think as correctly said by Honorable Deputy Minister Sir, that ownership has to be owned by the individuals concerned. It has to go down to all concerned. Now the cases coming down is a good sign. And if we keep the protocols in place, especially the three cardinal instructions, mask, sanitization and social distancing, together with, which is the most important, vaccination, I think life goes on as usual. Picking up, you will be seeing that I've been sending those reports every time. You're seeing that even in the last 2-3 days, we see more than 7,000, 8,000. So now we're opening up. We expect that once that sense of ownership is there with the people, they will come out. And once they come out, even for testing also, they'll come out themselves. We need not go to them and say, come and test. Like any other disease, we live together with all these other diseases. You don't feel well, you'll come and test yourself. So that I think plays a very important role. Yeah. And vaccination will come on a free will on the understanding that this vaccination is going to bring back normalcy to the state.
The vaccination percentage till today evening, we have just reached 49%, which is very encouraging, which is very good. And I'm sure by the end of September, we'll be crossing 70%. And now we have seen that people willingly, they come and then they go to the vaccination centers for getting themselves vaccinated. So this is a good sign. And I'm sure once we reach maybe to 85, 90%, I think, the restrictions can be lifted in totality. This is what we are working out towards that, where ultimately we can bring back normalcy like usually happen. So this is what I would like to share with all of you. And then the residents of the state, they need to know that of course still some sections, some people, they still have this hesitancy. But let me just tell you now, 49% till today we have just reached, we have just crossed, and I'm sure that hesitancy will further go down from now.